Hello everyone. Good evening and have a cool evening. Welcome back to my video. And today, after a long time, I am here with the overview of the day because due to the lot of this burden of the syllabus, that's why I am being too busy on studying. That's why I'm not getting more time to get interact with you. That's why today I decided to come with the overview of the day. The thought which I had always start in the beginning. The thought of the day today is that once you replace a negative thought, once you replace a negative thought with a positive ones, you start having a positive result. I repeat once again that once you replace negative thoughts with a positive thought ones, you will start having getting the positive result. It means you have ever seen the peoples around you or the persons around or in your surroundings that they always give the any if they will stuck in any kinds of problem, they always give any kind of negative excuses. They always say that I have no power to do that, I cannot do that, that will not in my luck. You can say that they are always trying to give the an excuses related to the negative thoughts, that it means that I am so thin to do any hard work, I am so weak to do anything, I am too weak in my studies to get a good marks on the examinations. These negative vibes whatever you had given to you in these negative thoughts make your subconscious mind too weak and too negative towards your works. So always try to give a positive thought to you. When you will give a positive thought to you, your works, to your thoughts, then you will see that the results whatever you get, that the result will be a totally a positive. It means you can say that in the instead of telling I cannot do that, always try to say that I can do that. It means when you are a start saying yourself that I can do that, the thoughts which you are making in your mind, that will make your subconscious mind too strong, and the result whatever you need to get or whatever you want to achieve, that you will see that the result is you easily get as per the negative thought whatever you had thought in the past is. So always try to speak and always try to give a positive vibes to you. Always say that I can do that, I am the best person in my this, or I can do anything whatever I decided to do. These are the thoughts which make you really a very great. Now coming back to the point, today I wake up at late morning because last night I had doing some works on the, you can say that I have some editing some videos. That's why today I being too late to wake up. And I think that was not too late, that today I'd wake up at in the 7 p.m. early in the morning. At it is not a too late, you can say that 1 hour late. That was, oh, after wake up in that I start cooking the food. And today I'm in my room, the last day. You can say my partner had come from the his village to her in my, that's room partner, not that's a friend partner, that's a friend who was here to with me for a 2 or 3 days. So that's why today I start cooking food at early in the morning, because I think that before studying, first we have to take a breakfast, because when I start studying, then our mind will be distracted towards that today I did not take a breakfast due to it. Sometimes of the distraction will be going. That's why we have decided to cook food before, then after we will continue with the study. Then after cooking the foods, then we had just come back to the studies, and just we had at least a study 1 or 2 hour. After studying 1 or 2 hour, then again take a something, that is a break, where we eat the foods which I had cooked. We had take a breakfast, and after eating the foods, then again come back to the studies. And there we had read after at least 1 or 2 hour in a combined, you can say there we had read combined class. You discuss some topics, and after discussing some topics we had read, and then take a break of at least 1 hour. There I used to sleep afternoon sleeps, which I last day I did tell that that is a meaning, that is a meaning of, you can say that is snip. No, that is not snip hills. One thing that I forgotten, that the words which you use in the afternoon sleep, you can say that that was I am sluggish. That was I think sluggish. That the sluggish, it means that the dophar ki neend, you can say that. That was the meaning which I had discussed you in earlier in the video. And after just sleep, then start fill upping the form of that you has all know that the GDS form has come out for the Gramin Dark Sevak for all over Indian for all over India Post. and we are trying to be up fill that form, but due to the some technical error that we are not able to fill up that form. That's why after trying more, we had left that and just gone for the tuitions. And after gone for the tuition, there we had used to teach at least two tuitions, and from 5 a.m. to no, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And after teaching, then I come back to the room, and after coming back to the room, then I start doing some little bit of a kind of a work where for some entertainment. And after that, I decided today to shoot a video, you can say that, because I think that from a last 2 or 3 days I think I had not come with you with the overview of the day, which I feel so, I don't feel so better that I always trying to speak, because from a 2 or 3 days I not speak in the any times any language of any English in the front of the camera. That's I don't feel too well. So today I decided at least whatever the time will taken doesn't matter, at least I will try to post today the video. But I think from more or 2 or 3 days I will definitely, or I will not be think it will come as continuous like this, because there are lots of videos are in pending on my storage. That's where I have to edit a lot. And because if I will give there more time on the editing, then I'm not able to read my syllabus. That's why I decided to do at least in a week. I think I will come with you at 4 or 5 days, only for only for 1 or 2 weeks after making the studies whatever I had left on the previous 2 weeks. That's I will, when I manage that all studies, then I will continuously with this, because this will make me more, you can say that, make me more motivated or make me more positive towards the English or towards the anything whatever the things which I learn. And the things which I learn, the learning point of the day, you can say that this the learning point is related to my topics, more the syllabus which I had studying the during the syllabus which I prepared. And the learning point is that the calculations of the any number which you can calculate with the 11, that how you can get easily the any two-digit number when you multiply with the 11, how you can get easily the result. It means suppose you have to multiply 11 into 52. Suppose the trick is that when you suppose you have to multiply 11 multiplied by 52, then the result will be very easy to find out. Plus the value 5 plus 2, that is the 5 plus 2, that is what you get 7. Then put the 7 in the middle of the 5 and 2, that is 572. That result will be when you multiply 11 into 52, then you get 572. And when you multiply 11 into 45, then add both number 4 and 5, that is 9, and put 9 in the between of the number, that is 495. That means you get that result is 11 into 45, you get the 495, it means 495. This is the trick which I had learned in the during classes which I had studies in the YouTube's. These are the learning point today which I learned. And one more example I will take you, that 11 multiplied by, you can 53. What the result? 11 multiplied by 53, that is, you can add by first you add 5 and 3, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8, and put 8 in the middle of the two number, that 5 and 3, you put that in the middle of that 583. It means when you multiply 11 into 53, then you get 583. These are the tricks you can easily take, you can easily use that trick to be solve any two-digit number with 11. And when you get like that number, that it means you can say the 11 multiply by, you can say that like that 65, है ना? Then you will get the result of 65. It means you are adding 6 or 5, that you get out 11. When you get that 2, then put one value in the middle, and the value which in your hand, that add with that 6, that means 6 plus 1, that is 7. And there is an answer 1, then 7 1, or that is 5, that is the value of that. It means that is too easy. 11 multiply by 42, that is put 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then put 6 in the middle of 4 and 2, that is 11 into 42, you get 462. This is the trick which I had learned today. So till then, keep watching, keep supporting, and I will always trying to become with you in a regular of way, because if I will not come in the rule, then I don't feel the too well, because due to the my syllabus is too being I think that the things which I have to read, there are lots of the syllabus in being full. That's why I'm not giving like lots of time to become with you, because there is taken a lots of time on editing and posting the video. That's why I decided to become with a little bit of a video. But I will come definitely after completing that. So till then, keep watching, keep supporting. Bye bye. Good night.